Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking for grade 3. Chapter 1, What's in a Name? Continue. The first question for the day is, which of the following numbers cannot be spelled using the letters present in the image given below? So let's first note down the letters in the image. I see G, V, T, Y, I, H, E, F, R, L, P. Great. So now let's try to name the given numbers. It's 50. Here we have 30. And here we have 85 and 85. Okay. And here we have 11. And let's check if we have FIFTY. I believe we do. We have F and I, T and Y. Great. And as a notice, the letters can be repeated any number of times to spell the number. So as we have F, we can make use of the same F twice to name 50. Great. And let's check the next word or the next number, 30. So here we go, T, H, I, R, T, Y. So 30 can be spelled. Great. Let's check the next word or the number name, 85. Here we go, E, I, G, H, T, Y. 35. F, I, V, E. Great. And I believe the answer is option D. But let's check once. If can we spell option D, that's 11. Here we go. We need E. We do have it. And L. Great. Another E. Okay. V. S. We have it. And E. Good one. But we are missing with letter N. Therefore, the option is 11. Good job. Let's move on to the next question. What will come in place of question mark in the given series? Let's understand the series first. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the next number obviously it would be 9 and 10. Great. And did you notice a pattern here? The pattern says first number is the symbol and the second number is number name. As you see, first is number And the next is number name. So 9 the symbol, 10 the number name. Great. Okay, we solved the first part of the puzzle, I believe. And the second part is that, okay, here I see 1, 2, 3, which is adding 1 and 2, we get 3. Same here, 3 and 4 added, we get 7. Then 5, 6, 11, 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, so 9 and 10, it's gonna be 19. Great. And here the same is option D. Great. It's gonna be option D. Yeah, it's 9 plus 10, 19. Why not this? Yeah, it's not gonna be C because let me tell you the condition, the pattern here. If it is the symbol, it is down below the given boxes. If it is number name, it is above the given boxes or above the number. As we have the answer in the symbol, obviously it should be down the boxes, not up the box. Okay, great. I guess you understood the answer. We'll go with the next question. And the next question is, if you were to write the numbers given below in words, spelling of which one of them would have exactly one vowel. Great. I guess we had a same question, type of question in the previous session. Okay, let's first note down the number names. Here it's gonna be 1. Okay, 2, 5, and 9. Now let's note down the vowels in each of the word. So here I have 1, 2 vowels. Here we have one vowel. Oh, great. I guess I found the answer. Exactly one vowel in it. So it's option B, which is 2. Great. Okay, let us check the other two. Here we have two vowels. And here too we have two vowels. Great. And the next question is, X is a single digit number. Okay. X is a single digit number if X has exactly 5 letters. Okay. It's a single digit number and it has 5 letters in it. How many different values can X possibly have? Okay, for that, let us note down the single digit numbers, the number names of the single digit numbers. Here I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10 is not a single digit number, so I'm not going to make note of the same. 1, 3 letters, 2, 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. I have one number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. 1, 2, 3 letters. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. And the question is, uh, how many different values can X possibly have? As you see, we can have three numbers. That's your 1, 2, and 3. There are three numbers of 5 letters. So the option C is the right answer. Moving to our next question. The next question is, Raj, Aryan, and Rahul went to a movie on different days. Raj did not go to the movie on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Aryan went to movie on Friday and Rahul on Sunday. The question is that which of the following days could Raj have gone to the movie? Okay, for this, let's first draw a table, note down the days and the names, and let's note down the given details. Raj did not go to the movie on Monday. Did not go on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Aryan went to the movie on Friday. Since Aryan went on Friday, Raj can't go on the same day as like all three went to movie on different days. Coming to Rahul, Rahul went to the movie on Sunday. Okay. So Raj can't go on Sunday. Great. I guess I have explained you the question in detail and it's your time to comment your answer. And we'll meet in the next session with the answer. Thank you.